Producing and selling meat chips offers a unique snack option for consumers interested in high-protein, savory alternatives to traditional potato or corn-based chips. Here's how you can approach the production and sales process for meat chips. Start by developing recipes for your meat chips. Experiment with different types of meats, such as beef, chicken, pork, or turkey, seasonings, and cooking methods to create flavorful and crispy chips. Source high-quality meats and seasonings for your meat chips. Consider using locally sourced, organic, or sustainably raised meats to appeal to health-conscious consumers. Process the meats into thin slices or strips suitable for making chips. This may involve slicing the meat thinly by hand or using specialized slicing equipment. Marinate the meat slices in your chosen seasonings to impart flavor. Dehydrate or bake the marinated meat slices to remove moisture and create a crispy texture. You can use commercial food dehydrators or ovens for this step. Develop eye-catching labels and branding for your meat chips. Clearly communicate the product's key attributes, such as the type of meat used, flavor profile, and any health benefits, such as high protein content or low carb count. Implement a marketing strategy to raise awareness and generate interest in your meat chips. This may include advertising through social media, food blogs, sampling events, and collaborations with influencers or food bloggers. Develop a sales strategy to effectively promote your meat chips to retailers and consumers. Solicit feedback from customers to gather insights into their preferences and improve your meat chips. Use this feedback to refine your recipes, packaging, branding, and marketing strategies over time. By following these steps and focusing on producing high-quality, flavorful meat chips, you can build a successful business catering to consumers seeking innovative and protein-rich snack options. Good luck!